Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic acidophiles. This is the topic of the microbiology. Acidophiles. Acidophiles are the microorganisms which love to grow in the acidic environments. Means the pH is very low. Means the pH is lower than 7. So acidophiles or acidophile organisms are those that thrive under highly acidic conditions. These organisms can be found in different branches of the tree, including archaea, bacteria, and the eukaryotes. First, archaea are sulfolobes or in the Crenachota branch of archaea. This is the example of the archaea which survive at the acidic environment. Thermoplastomeres, an order of the Video branch of Archaea is also another example. Ascidians, Brilli, and A- Ascidens infernus is also an example of the Archaeobacteria. Halorachium acidophyllum and Metallosphaerella sedula is also a thermoacidophilic archaea. Now, what are the bacteria which are acidophilic in nature? Acidobacterium, a phylum of the bacteria. Acidothylobacillus, which is an order of the probacteria. Acidophilobacillus paradoxins and Acidothiobacillus thiooxidans. Thiobacillus properes, Thiobacillus acidophilus, Thiobacillus organovorus, and Thiobacillus carpinus is also another examples of the acidophiles. Acetobacter aceti is a bacteria that produce acetic acid from the oxidation of the ethanol. And Alicyclobacillus, which is a genus of the bacterium that can contaminate fruit juices, is also example of the acidophiles. It contaminates fruit juices because it has the capability to survive at the lower pH. Now some eukaryotes which are acidophilic in nature: Mucor racemosus, Urotricha, Dunalia acidophylla, Philodendina rosella. Acidophiles are acid-living microbes most natural environment on the earth. An acidophile thrive in the rare habitat having a pH below 5. Highly acidic environment can result naturally from the geochemical activities such as the production of sulfurous gases in the hydrothermal vents and some hot springs, and from metabolic activities of certain acidophiles themselves. Acidophiles are also found in the debris left over the coal mining. Acid-living extremophiles cannot tolerate great acidity inside their cells. Now, what is the mechanism of adaptation of the acidic environment? So, how these acidophilic bacteria can be adapted to the acidic environment? So, this is the mechanism. Most acidophilic organisms have evolved extremely efficient mechanism to pump protons out of the intracellular space in order to keep the cytoplasm at a near neutral pH. So, they balance the near neutral pH by transfer of the protons. Therefore, intracellular proteins do not need to develop acid stability through evolution. However, other acidophiles such as Acidobacter aceti have an acidified cytoplasm which forces nearly all proteins in the genome to evolve acid stability. For this reason, Acetobacter aceti has become a valuable source of the understanding the mechanism by which protein can attain acid stability. Studies of protein adapted it to low pH have revealed a few general mechanisms by which proteins can achieve acid stability. So our lecture is over here, and next lecture we will discuss another extremophiles. So thank you very much.